Toyota of Stewart, you will love us.
Take a look at this impressive 2008 Chevrolet Silverado. This is a Chevrolet Silverado with 4-speed automatic transmission and just over 30,000 miles. With a fuel consumption of 15 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the highway, this is certain to fit your needs. Features and options include 4 speakers, steel wheels, dash-mounted CD, power steering, engine immobilizer, halogen headlights, cup holders, door pockets, and door reinforcement. All you have to do is enjoy the drive. With its driver and passenger airbag and 4-wheel ABS, this vehicle has the features to protect you and your passengers. Come in to see more vehicles like this one and enjoy our first-class service. Call, click, or come in.